Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have the red iguana nails realistic practice hand. It is the posable hand, and I got this from the now UK supplier of this hand, and that is the gel bottle ink. I'm going to leave a link to everything in the description box anyway, but this is amazing. I love this because it has like wire inside it, so you can pose the hands. So it's really flexible and it's really amazing. You know, there is so many on the market, so I love to do like a comparison of all of them together. But for now, let's just focus on what we're doing. So I've got this hand, and today we're going to be using the new collection of Builder Gel in a bottle from the Gel Bottle Ink. And this is the colour she has on her pinky there. And the colour is Baby. And it is just a gorgeous baby pink. The name suits perfectly. So I'm going to start off, and I'm just going to refine that shape because the tips, what they come with, I just think they look a bit bulbous on the sidewalls. So I'm just literally going to take those sidewalls in and just tidy up that shape just a little bit so it looks more crisp. And as you can see, that just tidied that shape up more. It looks more flush. So I've gone over the entire tip with a buffer just so the gel has something to adhere to. And I'm taking the Builder Gel in a bottle, and I'm just kind of nudging it around that cuticle area using light taps and kind of swirly motions to get the bead into position and try and keep the nail as flat as possible as well. So I'm literally just tickling the top of that product and then just kind of blending it where I want it and leaving the bulk where I want the bulk, which is obviously back in the back third for our apex. And then just trying to get that product nice and even. So when I am happy with where it is placed on that first layer, I will just pop that in the lamp to cure, and I left it in for 60 seconds. And then I'm just going to come in with another little bead just at that cuticle just to build a little bit slightly higher apex. So you can see the motion that I'm doing there, kind of like just nudge. I mean, I'm not a gel girl, you all know I'm acrylic through and through. I don't really use gel or hard gel. So this is kind of like new grounds for me, but I absolutely loved working with this Builder Gel in a bottle. I can't wait to get a set on myself so that I can really test the longevity of it and the strength and stuff like that. So now that's out of the lamp and that's fully cured, I've got a nice apex in there and I'm happy with the shape. I'm going to come in with CJP cleanser and just remove that inhibition layer. So just filing the nail as we would any nail, so just coming in on the sidewalls, the free edge, going around the cuticle area and down the entire body of the nail, making sure it's nice and flush and even and looking lovely. And then I will go over this with a white buffing block as well to really smooth it out. So I've done that on all of the nails except the thumb because thumbs are overrated. And I'm now coming in with CJP Pop It, and this is just a super highly pigmented white, perfect for foils or artwork or stuff like that. So I'm just going to place a thin layer of this on the whole entire nail because we're going to come in with some blooming gel and do some of the artwork on this nail. So I'll cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And just taking it off the edges there so it doesn't ruin the shape of the nail. So here we're going to use the Gel Bottle Ink clear blooming gel, and this is that gel that just, like the art gel that makes it spread when you put colours on. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that onto the nails. I'm then going to take Barbie from the new summer collection from the gel bottle and their detail brush, and just use tiny little bits of this and then create like a rose. And on this first bit here, as you can see, I just applied a little bit too much of that pink, but we will come in and correct that with a little bit of white after. And I'm just kind of trying to stencil out a kind of rose shape. I mean, this is the first time I've ever done this, so it's not as perfect as I would have liked it to be, but I was still really, really happy for the first time trying. And then just going back in with that poppet in that centre area, just so I can kind of make that rose, just pull a bit of that pink out and put a bit of white in, and then I'll cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm now going in with their top coat, and I'm just going to top coat all of these nails, cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then that's the finished video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. It was something different. It's nice to do something different using gel. I hope you enjoy it as well. I'll cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And yeah, I'll wash the hand with soapy water, and then I will take some pictures as well. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and do that, because I do post a lot of pictures there that YouTube doesn't see. But that's the finished video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do. I love you all so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye!